Hey guys, it's Baby Lady Channel, and today I am going to show you something that I use for my dog. I have not done a video about my dog in probably like 2 years. I've been doing YouTube for 4 years total. It will be 4 years this summer from my not my last video, but the first video that I ever did. My babies video. And I thought since, I did a week in my life video, I thought I could show you what I do with my dog. But for this video, I am going to show you a box that I made for her in a day in my life video that I'm going to do also soon. Because I didn't really go in depth in the week in my life video because we made a video that was supposed to be the week in my life video, but it just wasn't working out. When I upload, it takes a long time, like an hour now. Even the one that was 5 minutes, which was the Mother's Day video, that took like an hour. So that's why it was posted late. I'm very sorry about that. So it's just been a little frustrating with that. So when I did that video, it was 30 minutes, and the thumbnail wouldn't upload, so I couldn't post it. And so I did a summed up version, it was like half the time that I did. So that's just what I did instead. So I am going to do a day in my life video of like things that I do daily. So we are just going to get started into this video. So I made this box for Shelly probably a little bit after we got her. And it's basically like an Amazon box. Like, you could just get an Amazon box and just put things in it. So that's basically what I did. I want to paint it, but I haven't done that yet. So the first thing that we have that's at the top is this Milk-Bone treats. Now, I do have some of these. I do. But there's not really anything in there. I put all of the treats, like we had those kebabs. And then we had those pepperoni bacon strips. And then we had these bones. But we ran out. So we need to go and get some from Walmart. I think there is some bacon. You probably can't see. But, I mean, it's basically just crumbs. I'm filming outside and I'm under like a shaded area. So I tried my best to make this not as bright. The next thing that we have is this leash. Now, this one, it's a little broken. We've had this probably ever since we got Shelly. And it's a little broken. I think it's my fault, honestly, but, we are still going to use it. We use this to walk the dog. Sometimes, I'm just going to move this out of the way. Sometimes we just use this right here and clip it onto her collar and just use that. And you push these two buttons, you hold both of these down to like lock it so your dog can't go any further. And Shelly likes to drag when we walk, that's why I haven't really walked her. But we plan on doing that. I really want to do that during this quarantine because she needs to get out, we all do. So, I mean, we're basically just going to walk her in our neighborhood. The next thing I have is this brush. We don't really use this much anymore, but we just use it for her fur, but not her head. We have this brush. This side you use for the dog's head. The other side you can use for the rest of their fur. And, of course you see hair. So I might try to, get some fur off of the brushes that are in here, Maybe sometime during this quarantine that will give me something to do. I will try to paint this box during this quarantine and show you guys. And it has a little zip tie. That's probably from the store. Like, we probably never take that off. Okay. We're just going to put that off to the side. And we also have this purple brush. This is the newest brush that we have. And this you can, use for the rest of the fur. And the brand is, I don't really know how to say it, but Conair. And I like this brush, I do. I was going to do like a grooming my dog because I saw that from Smelly Belly TV, but my dog is a little hyper right now, so I'm going to try to, play with her some so she won't be as hyper, and maybe we can do that video. Someone else is going to have to film that for me because I can't do that one-handed. Okay, so the next thing that we have is this harness. Now this harness is tricky, as you can tell. My dad usually puts it on because I have no idea. So sometimes we can use this and, put it on her and attach this to walk. We just do at least one of these options. And we also have this blue, it's basically like a rope, but this is what they used. Well, this is what we used when we brought her home. You just put this around their neck and you just, use this to tighten it. And then you can just put your hand in this and hold it like that. So this is the easier way. I was trying to train Shelly to, walk behind me because I was watching this dog show, Cesar Millan. And I was using this to do that. And I'm still trying, but I kind of gave up on that. So we're going to try that. And she's just really, like when we walk her, she's just really excited and just drags us. So I'm trying to, kind of, I guess, train her a little bit better on that. So it's not such a hassle. Because we don't like when she drags us, Because, I don't really walk her because of that. My dad does. I have before, but when we first got her, I didn't because I was much younger. But now I'm older. So, yeah. And we also have some medicine. I'll show you, the back. This Credelio. And then we have this Inceptor Plus. My dog used to get ear infections every time we went to the vet, ever since we got her. But this past year she hasn't, so we're very glad. We try to take her to the vet every summer. We got my dog in the summer, so that's kind of our routine. And I also kept basically all of her collar tags. I kind of have a little collection. This one is a heart, it's like a circle, old dog bone. And I just kind of put it in here. So this is basically all of her stuff. And I'm just going to put it back. And then I am going to do the outro for this video. But this is all I was going to show you. My dog is kind of napping. Well, not really, but she's down there. So I'm going to try to get her out here, and I will show you that. Hey, Shelly. You want to say hi? Or not? I'm going to play with her today, so when I'm done with this video, I will. So now, let's do the outro. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Don't forget to turn on post notifications. Click the bell basically to get notified every time I post. Now, before I actually end this video, I'm going to fix my board. I don't know why it's like this. Okay, it is fixed. Sorry for that. I've been eating chips. So, don't forget to like this video I post every Saturday, and this is going to be a bonus video. So I post bonus videos around Wednesday. I'm trying to record my videos the day before they're supposed to be posted, so I can just go ahead and do that. Now, the videos have been taking a long time to upload, so that's why the Mother's Day video, was posted late at night. And I'm watching the Merrill Twins, they're in the background, so that's why you hear that, so I'm going to turn that down. Okay, so the last video that I did, the Mother's Day video, took like an hour to upload, and it was only 5 minutes. So we are just going to upload this tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and it will probably be posted around the evening time because we might start uploading around lunchtime. But it takes a little bit because, my dad is working from home and, the computer, so I don't know. But it will be posted, I promise. And I am coming up with new video ideas. I might make a video to where you can comment on it, and you can comment your video ideas. I've seen a lot of cooking and all that, so I thought maybe in one of these videos I can teach you something you can cook for breakfast. Like things that are easy. And someone else might have to record that, so it won't be dangerous. And yeah, now an update on the tablet. I didn't really do an update on the tablet in the last video. But we are going to, like I said, order the case first. So I'm going to show you my color options because I have a hard time making decisions. So I might make a poll in one of these videos for you to, kind of help me decide, because I'm going to be using this for you. I am. So I just kind of want y'all to, weigh in. And I want your guys' opinion. So I have 3 color options. And the color option, we'll just do the first option. Let's just let this focus. Purple, pink, and blue. Now, I might make a video to where the comments are open, so you can give me suggestions, and you can also tell me what color case you like, or I will try to do a poll. I don't really know how to do that. I'm learning new things about how to make my YouTube videos better, so I will probably try to this video or Saturday's video. It will probably today's video because I want to try to order it this week because we want the case first so the tablet will be protected because we don't want to crack the screen. And I'm not really going to tell you what kind of tablet I'm getting. What I'm going to tell you is that it is a Samsung. I'm not going to get an Apple product because I will probably have a Samsung phone. So I don't want it to be like Apple and then Samsung. I just kind of want it all the same thing. And I will also make a little kind of like vlog of that also. So that will be in a week or so. I'm going to try to make up my mind. So, we might keep the comments on for this video so you can comment. I know not a lot of people are watching these videos, but for the people out there who are, comment what color you like and whatever. I really like those colors, so I'm not really I don't care which color I get. It's just I just have a hard time deciding because I'm like, well, I'm gonna have this forever. And it's $20 because it's like, shock proof, heavy duty, waterproof. It just has so many like extra things that makes it expensive. But I will try to do a poll or just open up the comments. So I will do that, but that is the update. And we are getting the tablet at Walmart, if I haven't said already. I think we are. We compared, Best Buy also, but I think we're just going to go to Walmart. So that is the update for the update on the tablet, and this is in 15 minutes, so I'm going to stop the video right here. See y'all next Saturday.